Hi, this is Ian for anything Google Pixel 5a, and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. First, we should select the screen where we want to add the widget, and then just hold for a while your device home screen with your finger by this way and tap the widgets icon. After that, you'll see here all the available applications which widgets we can add. For example, let's use the calendar application. Here we can see that this app got two different types of the widgets, the full mass view or the shadow, and just to add the widget to your home screen, you should hold it and just drag it to the home screen, or you can also create a new screen by this way. If you want to resize the widget, you should just hold it for a while, and after that we can make it bigger or smaller. If you want to move it here on the home screen or between the screens, just by the same, you should hold the widget and drag it to the left or to the right side of the screen, and just to remove it from the home screen, hold it and drag to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.